UPVC double glazing is a reasonably smart and effective way of insulating a house, but external noise can still be an issue. One of the most cost-effective remedies is to fit secondary glazing, making triple glazing. It's worth checking whether there are blinds or curtains that could be in the way. Do any of your handles stick out? And do your windows open inwards? With a good cavity like this one, you might be able to fit track glaze horizontal to create a deep gap that combats noise well. If you do not have a cavity, like at this bay window, you are limited to fitting something directly onto the UPVC. Using adhesive tapes as screws are not practical. In this property, there's a busy road outside, and background traffic noise with the windows closed is 52 decibels, but heavier commercial vehicles can reach 58. The existing double glazing is good, but the householder wanted an improvement, and after discussion, our Easyglaze system has been fitted. For most windows, there was enough room around the frames, so fitting was straightforward. However, those windows that open have these handles which leave insufficient space on the frame to stick the Easyglaze system. In the end, by fitting an extra strip of adhesive foam tape to accommodate the sloping window beads, the secondary glazing was fitted on the beads rather than the main frame. The result is excellent, as the whole room has been fitted, and until you get close you just can't see it's there. If you look in detail, it is still neat and tidy with mitered corners. Background traffic noise is now 45 decibels, rising to 49 for heavy lorries, so it's a good improvement.